Hello everyone, myself Ruchita, currently pursuing my BE at Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering, Bangalore at the Department of CSE Data Science. Today, in this presentation, I am going to present a topic related to object-oriented programming with Java. And the topic will be using abstract classes. Before going to our topic, let me give a small introduction on the abstract classes. Abstract classes are the key features of an object-oriented programming in Java. They serve as a blueprint for the other classes, which may allow for the code reusability. Understanding the abstract classes is crucial for the effective Java programming. What is abstract classes? An abstract classes cannot be initiated directly through Java. It may contain an abstract method that have no implementation. This encourages subclasses to provide concrete implementation of this method. Syntax of abstract classes. An abstract class is been declared using the abstract keyword. It can be contain both abstract method and the concrete method. The syntax follows the standard class declaration with the addition of the abstract modifier. How abstract methods can be explained? They can be declared without an implementation. Subclasses must implement this method to become a concrete classes. This enforces the contract between the abstract classes and its subclasses. Why we use abstract classes? They provide a common interference for the different subclasses. Abstract classes helps in reducing a code duplication by sharing the common functionality. They enhance the maintainability by establishing a clear hierarchy. Example for an abstract class is consider an abstract class called animal. It can have the abstract method like make a sound that subclasses must implement. A concrete subclasses like a dog, cat could provide their own version of make a sound. Implementation of abstract classes. To implement an abstract classes, a subclass must use an extends word. The subclass must provide an implementation for all subtract method. If it does not, the subclasses must also be declared abstract. Subclasses versus interface. And subclass can have both abstract and a concrete method, while the interface can only have the abstract method. Java 7 and below. Abstract class can have a member variables while interface cannot have prior to the Java 8. Use Use case of the abstract classes. Abstract classes are ideal for defining a common template for the group of related classes. They are useful in the frameworks where the base classes provide a default behavior. They enable the polymorphism allowing for the dynamic method innovation. Abstract constructor. Abstract classes cannot have constructor since they cannot be initiated. However, they can be constructor that are called as their subclasses. This allows the subclasses to initialize state inherited from the abstract classes. Abstract field. Abstract field is nothing but which contains which is being used in the both abstract and concrete method. This field can be defined with the initial values or a left uninitialized. It may contain initialized values or uninitialized values. Subclasses can access and modify the field as needed. Access modifier in the subtract class. Abstract classes can use the access modifier like public, protected and private. In this control the visibility of the class member in the subclasses. Proper use of access modifier enhance the encapsulation and data hiding. Abstract classes with a concrete method. An abstract classes can concrete the method that provides a default functionality. Subclasses can choose to override this methods if needed. This allows for the combination of shared behavior and specialized behavior. Final method in abstract classes. Abstract classes can contain a final method that cannot be overridden. This ensures that certain behavior remains consistent across the subclasses. It helps in maintaining the integrity of the class design. Abstract class in the Java collection. Abstract class can use in Java collection to define a common behavior of a group of an object. For instance, a collection of a shape object can use an abstract class for the common method. This allows for the polymorphic behavior when the processing different shapes. Best practices for abstract classes are: use abstract classes when you have a clear hierarchy of a related classes. Avoid creating an abstract class when an interface could suffice. Keep an abstract class focused on specific responsibility to enhance the clarity. Common mistakes with the abstract classes are common mistakes in trying and instant and abstract classes directly. Forgetting to the implement of all the abstract method in a subclass is another frequent error. Misusing the abstract classes when the interference are more appropriate can relate to lead unnecessary complexity. Summary of the key point. Abstract classes are the essential for defining a common structure among the related classes. They promote a code reusability and a maintainable in Java application. Understanding the difference between abstract classes and interface is a vital for effective design. Real world application. Abstract classes are widely used in design pattern like a factory and the template pattern. They can help in implementing a framework where base functionality is needed. Common example includes GUI components and a game development classes. At the last conclusion, abstract classes are a powerful features in Java for building a robust application. They encourage a good design practices to the abstraction and inheritance. Mastering the abstract classes will enhance your programming skills in Java.